Hi, in this video we can see about taint and toleration. These are the features in Kubernetes helps to assign the pod in a corrected node. This is first one is the taint. Taint can help to prevent the pod scheduled in an inappropriate node. And then toleration means if you want to place the pod in that particular node or tainted node, you can use toleration to place the pod in the tainted node. Let's move to the diagram. This is the diagram for taint and toleration. You have one pod here. You want to place the pod in these nodes, but this node is tainted. Tainted means if you try to place the pod, but this pod not placed here, this placed in the another node. So if you want to place the pod in only this particular taint node, means you can use the toleration. Then you can place this pod in this tainted node. So let's move to the AWS management console. Here I already connected to my master node. Here go and copy my SSH client. Here I copy this, then paste here. Now we can check what are the resources that are currently running in this Kubernetes cluster. kubectl get all. No resources here. Here only running with the default service. Let's see how to implement taint in that particular node. First we check the node. Here there are three nodes running here, master node and the two worker node. Here I created the taint in this worker node, first worker node. Let's see how to create the taint in this node. Type this command kubectl taint -help. This command will show the taints related commands. So here you can see this is the commands can be used to taint the node. So here copy this command. Then paste here. Here you can change it based on our requirement. Type schedule, then go and change the taint names. Here I change the name to worker1 dot example.com. This is the node name. Then here I give the key value. Here I change this. I will give the value env equal to dev. So this is the key value. Then give enter. Yeah, here I do some mistake in this name. I change here. kubectl taint nodes, then enter the name worker1 dot example.com, then enter the key value, then right? No schedule. Now enter. Now here you got one response, the worker node one tainted. Let's check this kubectl describe node worker one dot example.com. Enter. Here you can go and check. This is the description view of that worker node. Here you got you have taint no schedule. This means if you try to place the pod is here, it prevents that pod. Now I create one pod, I try to place here. I have this command kubectl run app1, then --- image, then enter the image name nginx. Here I will run the dry run equal to client YAML I will give the YAML file name pod.yaml. So now I got this is the dry run. It exactly not created the resource. It just created the one YAML file. Let's check the YAML file. vi pod pod.yaml. So this is the content in this YAML file. Pod, then labels, then is the container image names. Now I apply this command. We will see where this pod will be placed, worker 1 or worker 2. kubectl apply -f, then enter the pod name. Pod name is app1. Sorry, then enter the file name pod.yaml. So here you got one response, the pod one will be created. Let's check this pod where it will be placed. kubectl get pod -0 wide. So now this pod will be placed in the worker node 2, because here we can have already tainted the worker 1, so it placed in the worker 2. So let's now see how we can place this pod in the tainted node. So here we can use the toleration. Here I deleted this pod. Still delete. Now the pod will deleted. So now I move to the Kubernetes official documentation. Here I go and type the taints and toleration. Click this. Now here these are the step to how to taint the node. We already done this. Let's move. This is the toleration. The toleration helps to place the pod in a tainted node. So I copy here. I copy this. Then move to the PowerShell, type vi, then open that file pod.yaml. Here I add the toleration. I paste here. Then here I will give the Key name, I will give the key name env. So this is the operator. Exist means it will compare the, it will see the node that here I will give the one key env. This key will be matched in the taint. This means you can, this toleration will be work, then you can place the pod in the tainted node. So here I save this. Then again create pod. Yeah, here you got one error. Let's again check. Let's again I open the file. Once I check the official documentation, yeah, here the script is wrongly placed. Then I open this. Then change here. I think now it will work. Yeah, we can wait. I save this. Let's try again to run. Yeah, now it will be created. So we can again check where this pod will be placed. kubectl get pod -0 void. So here you can see this pod placed in the tainted node. This means toleration help to place the pod in the tainted node. So now let's see how to delete the taint in that node. kubectl describe node, then enter the node name worker1 dot example.com. Here you can see the taints in this node. Now I can see how to delete this taint here. Just type the same command, what command you used to tainter. Yeah, this command used to taint the node. Here you can add one hyphen. It means it will delete the taint in that node. So now you've got one response. Your worker1 node will be node untainted. Let's again check. No, you don't have taint have node. This means you don't have taint. Yeah, so this is the way to create a pod in the tainted node, and to use the, this is the way to use the taints, and how to, here I will tell about how to delete the taint, how to implement the taint, and then how to use toleration to schedule the pod in a tainted node. Thank you.